So if you're looking for a natural way to remove your nail polish, then you should give this recipe a try. Just like I'm about to give it a try for the first time today. So I have this nail polish on my nails. It's barely there anymore. I'm using a nail polish by Lola Lee. They are a natural nail polish brand and they're vegan friendly and they don't have any chemicals and stuff. But I didn't buy a nail polish remover, and if you're like me, my nail polish is always chipping, and I am trying not to use like conventional nail polish remover. So I found this recipe on Pinterest and I'm hoping that it works to remove my nail polish. I only have one layer of nail polish on, so it shouldn't be that difficult to remove. And the nice thing is that you can make this nail polish remover with things that you probably already have in your home. It takes 2 ingredients, 3 if you want to add a little, you know, something extra. But it's literally just lemon and vinegar. Those are the 2 ingredients that you need. I'm going to be adding a bit of essential oil as well. So let's see if this works. So they say that you're supposed to use equal parts of lemon and vinegar for this recipe. And you're supposed to also soak your nails in warm water before you try to remove the nail polish. So I'm just gonna juice this lemon. Okay, so I'm gonna go equal parts of lemon and vinegar. So I think I'll start out with 2 tablespoons of each and then we see how we go from there. So that's 2 tablespoons of lemon, and then let's go with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is just regular white vinegar. And then I am going to add in some essential oils. This is sweet orange essential oil. I read up that citrusy essential oils are really good at removing your nail polish. So I had this orange one. You could use lemon, you could use grapefruit, you could use bergamot, you could use a combination like a citrus blend. And I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm probably gonna add about 5 drops of essential oil in here. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna give that a bit of a mix. So I've got some warm water here. I'm just gonna soak my nails for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so 10 minutes are done. Let's see if this works or not. And I'm just using one of these reusable makeup wipes. And I'm using that to just kind of dip in there and apply. So they say that you should leave it for like 10 seconds or like 20 seconds just to kind of soak on. If you've ever had a gel manicure taken off, then you know that they usually just like put on some cotton wool with some acetone and foil. So kind of the same idea, just kind of leaving it on there for a few seconds before I try and take this off. So let's see if this works. So it's been on for a while and it's coming off. I'm actually surprised. It's obviously not as like quick as taking it off with acetone based nail polish remover, but it actually is working. So okay, it's not easy. This is not easy to take off, but it is coming off. So it's just taking a bit of time. It's taking long, guys. Like, you're also getting tired.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I went to get a nail file just to take off like the top shiny coat, or the top like shiny level, and see if that actually helps to kind of get the lemon and vinegar underneath into the nail polish itself. So let's see. I did lightly file the top layer of nail polish just to see if that helps. Okay, so definitely using the file helped, but it's still very slow. So I'm gonna try the second method that I found on Pinterest, which is to use lemongrass essential oil directly onto the nail polish and then remove it that way. So let's see if this works better. Oh, wow. Yes. Wow. That's amazing. So the lemongrass essential oil is the one. Wow, that was like instantaneous. Similar to like if you used acetone. Wow, that was so quick. Oh my gosh. That's it. Done. I used just the lemongrass essential oil. That is so good. Okay. So this method is by far much better than the first. So I applied 1 drop of lemongrass essential oil directly to the nail polish, let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then wiped it off. That's it. Done. Okay, so I'm all done. The nail polish is all off of my nails. Definitely by far, if we compare the vinegar and lemon mixture with the lemongrass alone, the lemongrass essential oil definitely is so much better. It's much quicker, and I don't know if you are as sensitive as I am about like chemicals and that kind of thing, but one of the things like that used to irritate me or bug me when removing my nail polish was the smell of like the acetone and the nail polish remover. And this is like completely revolutionized removing nail polish, because not only is the lemongrass essential oil so fast, but it's like you having an aromatherapy session while you're busy removing your nail polish, because it smells so good. So definitely I would suggest that if you are going to use either one of these, it does make it a lot faster if you do a gentle, very gentle file just on the surface of the nail polish. It just really gets things going and kind of gives you like a rough surface to apply the either the essential oil or the lemon and vinegar mixture onto, which allows it to kind of penetrate through the nail polish. And so whether you're going to use the lemon and vinegar mixture, which does take a little bit longer, but it does work, or if you're going to use the lemongrass essential oil just on its own, if you want to make it that much faster, then you can use a nail file before you apply the product. But I will say that even without filing, the lemongrass essential oil on its own is so fast. So it's definitely going to be my go-to when it comes to removing my nail polish. The lemon mixture, like I said, while it does work, it is a lot slower. And like, I don't have the patience to be sitting and rubbing for goodness knows how long. I definitely recommend the lemongrass essential oil on its own to replace your conventional nail polish remover.